And welcome to the first video in the Python video series. Well, all we're going to be doing is installing Python and then checking it works. All we do is click on download. I'm just going to download the Windows installer. Okay, so now we've downloaded Python. Let's just open the installer. And it's going to install. Okay, so Python's nearly done installing. Let's just wait for it to finish. Okay, so this says Python's just finished installing. So that's it. Python is now installed on our computer. Okay, so once you install Python, you're going to get something called idle, and I'm going to open that up now. So if you're on Windows, just go to start and type in IDLE, and then you'll find it. Okay, so this is the Python shell or idle, and to make sure everything works properly, we're just going to type in print. Let's just say hello. So that's it for this video, and in the next one we'll actually be doing some real Python programming. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.